Jessie sleepwalking.
Sure, when you sleepwalking, you can't walk and stop or bumps in it. Guess what? We just spare you.
Welcome to the Unique J family, and we're back here with a video. Today we'll be doing a who is most likely to video. So please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and click that notification bell to be notified each time we post a video. And please share this video. So guys, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so mommy, is it that you or me will do rock, paper, scissors and who win? No, three first and then
Rock, paper, scissors,
yeah. 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors. Mommy don't know how to play rock, paper, scissors. Come on, one more try. Alright,
there's something there with you?
Yeah. Yes.
You can't
put that. Alright, Jaden, me and you know, because who go first? Rock, paper, scissors. Alright. Me I go last. Alright, so guys, my first question is who is most likely to listen classic music? Who is most likely to listen classic music? Definitely. Definitely, mommy. Old school. Okay, my next question is who is most likely to watch romantic movies? I know who. Mommy love them, but Jessie love them more. If I look at ask two questions, no mommy.
Okay. Who is most likely to dig out their nose as a nose hole and then bite their fingernails?
Me bite my fingernail sometime and sometime I dig up my nose.
You dig the nose first? Bite my finger.
No!
Yeah.
Alright, I'll tell my mommy. Okay, my next two question is who is most likely be the best at maths? Jaden.
Yeah, Jaden is only from maths, so I'm going to start suck up now, but...
We get 2 gold medals from primary school. Who is most likely to be the drama queen? Yeah, me and Jessie kinda equal. Yeah. Jaden asked two questions. Who is most likely to eat apple or June plum leaf? Mom, I'm tired, you know. My name then is too much.
Guys, you don't want to see him eating the June plum leaf.
Not even me.
And the apple leaf. All the June plum stalk him eat.
Why June plum leaf nice and taste like June plum?
Sick.
Who most likely develop an habit of picking their hair? Everybody put that up. Everybody.
Yes, guys, she pick out her hair.
Jessie.
This color alone leave. You're not seeing no hair.
Look at her. You see that, sir? Our little inch here instantly.
She pick it out when you said just.
But guys, we stop do that now. Guys, we stop do that now. Alright, one more question. Who is most likely to carry friends home? No, we can't carry a friend.
Why I say Jaden will carry friends to play football and stuff in the yard. Yes.
I'm going to start carrying some people to play a game with me. In the living room.
Okay. Who is most likely to get offended by a joke? Just wait now. Just where me put it up.
No, not even me, you see? This better. Queen. No, love trouble, Mr.
Who is most likely to give me all his or her savings?
Mommy first son. Jaden.
Once
Me love my mother.
Once it have to do with food, whoa.
No, not food
I want
alone.
something to buy
Emergency
food or
money.
something that's actually needed. You will give me that money, guys.
Me always have emergency money. And they always say them a pay me back and never pay me back.
Mommy.
Who is most likely to go the longest without heating? I'm sure about that one. I'm sure.
Okay, now Jessica, you see when she dip on her phone and the two of them dip on their phone and they have internet, we just go eat left them.
Alright, so guys, I'll be asking some questions now. Who is most likely to talk to animals? Who is most likely to talk to animals?
Me like talk to animal. Animal just loving and caring.
That's me.
And my dog, I just love Lexus.
Who is most likely to eat with their mouth open?
Guys, ooh,
Who
which one? Just your favorite way.
Jalen mouth have a poke apart for the food just saying. It's the
No guys, it's too funny.
Who is most likely to join the military?
I think I answered Jaden.
Jaden.
I want to be an engineer. Nothing close to the military. Nothing. Engineer or a businessman. No.
Who's
military
most-
not gonna work. Look how me skinny.
Who's most likely to go on a world tour?
Everybody know. Everybody.
That's me.
Just want to be the upcoming Jamaican model. She's
So you
asked
don't
to go
want
on
to
a
tour?
tour. Mommy,
Alright.
I want to be an engineer. May I go everywhere. And may I go there work.
Who is most likely to win an Olympic medal?
Yo. We up in here.
In his dream.
Hello,
world.
Jesse.
His dream world.
Jesse dreaming.
In his dream world, guys.
Guys, I become stop track and field.
Mommy, you're salute.
Jesse, I'm model.
Just you start talking about modeling and not track and field.
But me get champion, girl.
So that I'm from primary school.
Girl, she feels
5 years
she get too hot. Who is most likely to sleepwalk? And guys, I have a joke for you.
No, Mary, no. Why my name? Mommy, I don't do that already.
Mom, I'm gonna be sleepwalk.
Mr.
No,
Sleepwalk, guys, he sleepwalks so much. He will sleep.
It's like. Jesse walk
Like
and make it look like a me.
Sleepwalk. We sleep and go and peep on the door.
Jesse sleepwalk.
Sure, when you sleepwalking, you
I'm
can't
not.
walk and stop or bumps in it. Cause guess what? We just pee on you.
Mommy sleepwalk to here.
Most likely to long up their face, screw, or give attitude.
Everybody know that. Everybody
Guys,
know
look
that.
good. No, just
Everybody
here's
know
the
that.
card. Me,
Mommy,
that is
like,
a lie. That is a lie, guys. Oh, when she screw, she not aware of it. No, her
Both of
face,
them here.
she not aware of it.
You know, I know attitude and screw up.
Who is likely to wear a different foot of slippers one time?
I
in
don't
the
care
house?
about it.
We
We don't care about it. We don't care about it.
We.
We.
All a winner.
Jamaica.
J1 love to last the slippers them. So sometimes we have on 2 different foot of slippers. Everybody.
And the boy there, any slippers in catch him, put him foot in there. And him foot little so. Okay,
Who is-
somebody else.
Who is most likely to get shout at by mom?
We most likely are me, but
Yes, straight
sometimes
there.
are we.
Who is most likely to invent something useful?
faith and not Jaden must put up. Me have faith in my mother. Put that
I
down.
just see and will invent stuff that will become useful. Like I say, she make hand pan.
Ear something and this.
And yes, she make,
And be
she
realistic
make
and
soap and make all some face cream thingy and all kind of things, guys.
Me make one. Yes, some people
Who is most likely to do a commercial?
we what are we
Just saying, because she's a parrot. Just saying.
what are we funny?
Just saying, it's a parrot.
Me and my sister funny.
Guys, who is most likely to eavesdrop on a conversation? Here's clean. Everything she hear on
Yeah, me
she's
kinda
not
did.
hearing.
So guys, who is most likely to gain a lot of weight after quarantine?
What?
Me no know.
Guys, I say him because he eats a lot. Every second he's hungry right now. Since they have to tell him he need wormwood. But for sure he won't gain the weight. He's eating but the weight is not coming.
The
We
weight
need
is
hormones.
Stick man.
Stick man.
He's most likely to fake sick.
If he get fatter, we can work out.
Fake sick. This
Jaden.
is who will fake sick.
Over exaggerate everything. Ants bite him.
Jaden, not just him.
One
yeah,
ant.
Jaden.
One ant bite him. You're thinking somebody shoot him.
Who is most likely to do some? Who is most likely to wake up mom from her sleep? I don't know when. Who is most likely to go to school without wearing deodorant? Mommy no go school, so surely that.
This is the one who will forget to put on the deodorant.
When me can't find it.
Why you put up my name?
Who will see?
Alright, who is most likely to get kicked in the face?
Jaden.
In the previous video.
So go ahead and watch that video and watch me get kicked in the face. You never act, but you catch me.
The last question is, guys.
The earthquake come, the
And
earthquake.
the earthquake come, the earthquake
Come,
come.
earthquake,
Come
come.
here, come,
Come
come.
here.
Come here, come here.
The earthquake come.
Say hello.
Say I.
Say hello.
Say I.
Hello. Say like.
Say like.
Share. Subscribe.
Share this on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, everything you have so we get likes and views.
Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the subscription, all the comments,
And guys, thank you
all
for
the
everything.
sharing.
But
So guys,
I got kicked in
until
the
then,
face.
peace
peace out.
out.